Alright guys, so in our previous video we actually learned that acids are substances which ionize in water to produce what? Hydrogen ions as the only positive ions, alright? So if you are here and you still have any problem with acids, you could just trace those very videos, watch them, and of course if the problem continues, you could just reach out to me via DM, of course the comment box, and I will respond. Are you following? All right. So for this very video, we will be looking at bases. Okay. So what is a base? A base is simply any substance that will neutralize an acid to produce what? Salt and water. Okay. Now the common examples of bases that we have are simply what? Metal oxides. Okay. So come with me. So we have NaOH. Are you with me? We have KOH. All right. We have CaOH in brackets too. Are you following? We have ALOH all in bracket and of course 2. Then we have Mg, all right, OH in bracket and of course 2. Okay, so this is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, and what? Magnesium hydroxide. So these are what? Bases. Are you following? Now, from the definition, we said when a base, right, reacts with an acid, it neutralizes the acid to produce what? Salt and water. Are you following? Now, example of an acid. Let's say HCl. So we have HCl. And what is HCl? Hydrochloric acid, right? So HCl is reacting with, let's say, the base sodium hydroxide. Are you following? So what is expected is that sodium hydroxide is going to what? Neutralize this very acid to give us what? Salt and water. So in this case, sodium will take the place of hydrogen. So we now have NaCl. Are you following? Plus what? H2O, which is water. Do you understand? In this very case, right, the sodium hydroxide, which is the base, has actually neutralized hydrochloric acid to give us what? Sodium chloride, which is our normal table salt, plus what? Water. Are you following? Very good. Now, most students usually confuse themselves by saying that all bases, right, are a product of the reaction of basic oxide with water. But that is a lie, okay? Not all bases, right, are a product of the reaction of basic oxide with water. Are you following? For instance, ammonia. Ammonia is a base. Are you following? But ammonia is not an oxide. Do you understand? Now, when ammonia reacts with water, okay, it produces, of course, this is a reversible reaction. Okay, so if you're still confused with the double arrows, you could just check our videos on acids, okay, and you will understand this. So when ammonia reacts with water, it gives us what? Ammonium ion. Are you following? Plus what? OH ion, which is the hydroxide ion. Okay, so ammonia is still what? A base. Are you following? But not a result of what? Of the reaction of basic oxide with water. Are you following? So I want to believe that you've understood what bases are. Commonly, you've known that not all bases are a product of what? Of the reaction of basic oxides and water. Right? I still remain teacher Luka. Anticipate our next video on strong and weak bases. All right. Thank you and bye.